It's so easy to look swaggy with a New York fitted. Like, you can wear anything almost, and when you put on that fitted, it just comes together. My name is Deli. I'm a 20-year-old artist out of New York, representing the ghetto, the suburbs, and the city. The fitted cap in Harlem is everything, because like I said, Harlem is the most stylish part of New York City. It's just something so unique and fresh about the gray under that just lets you know, like, okay, this guy came to stunt. New York fitted is so iconic, not in just the style, but like, I have to rep my hometown, I have to rep where I'm from, and this is the most clear and concise way to do it. A gray brim is it, that's the swag. Like, fitted caps are the move, and gray brims are the extra move. You can't be scared to find out. Like, a lot of people are like, oh, I don't wanna go buy a fitted because I don't really know my head size, I don't wanna look crazy. Everyone starts somewhere, and you gotta go and find out. I wanna be the pioneer and the leader of my generation. I gotta let them know that, yo, we rock fitted caps in New York, and we rock it with swag.